Hi, this is Ron Lockwood with RL Photography, and here I am in sunny Palm Bay, Florida, here with my good friend Jim Boyd from Above and Beyond Drones, and we're here for the 2021 South Florida Drone Meetup. And today we'd like to take an opportunity to remember someone very special. The community, the family, the friends of Elk Grove, California, along with the drone community, lost someone very special, Mr. Rick Halbur.
Rick Halbur, 1955, March, I believe it was, to what,
2021.
March of 21, yeah. He was a great friend to the drone community. He was more than that. He would help you when you didn't ask for help, and it would just come, a package would come in the mail or something like that, and you never asked for it. This is the kind of, how do you describe a person like that who goes out of their way to take their time, their money to just help out people he, can I say hardly knows? I mean, we've talked for 2 years on more than 2 years, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been more than 2 years. And one of the things I wanted to add in here today too is that, I think Rick in his own way tried to teach us what I might call as a silent lesson. We all are friends and we all have our bad days, our bad times, but Rick has been through a lot lately, and no matter what he was going through physically over the last several months, he always stopped, took the time to make sure that he spoke to us and he sent us gifts and stopped on our live streams and just supported us 100%. And I know it's somebody that we're just going to truly miss very much.
He was someone you could call and talk to any time of the night or day. It was just that. He was walking around with a cast on and yet asking me how I was feeling. And that was a great thing. I think you made that plaque for him.
Yeah.
And he got it just before he was put back into the hospital. So I'm glad he got to see that. That was nice going on your part, by the way, because I couldn't think of a thing to get him.
Yeah, it was hard. And I know I said we feel very bad for his family, and again, it's just a great loss to everyone. And we in the drone community, Rick, want to say thank you for your generosity, your kindness, and we know you can't be here in person, but we know you're here in spirit and you're watching over us today. Rest in peace, brother.
God bless.